welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing my nighttime routine with, you guessed it, Miss Ruby, my bunny. Okay, so the first thing we always do is it's dinner time, but we give her lettuce every night. Come get it! And this is her little bowl. Yeah. It's hard to do this one-handed, so I'm holding my phone. Okay, but you can do this. Oh. Yeah, that's good, huh? Here we go. And then she just sits there and eats it. And while she's doing that, I would normally fill up her hay, so she has hay. Because bunnies always need hay. Okay, and that just fell. Just get that. Trying. I use Timothy hay for her. She needs more. If this wants to get out for me. There we go. Nicely. Oh no, that is just all her poops. And she's enjoying her lettuce, so here's some cuteness. Yeah, she's nice. And when this video is over, I'm going to fill up her water. See, look at that. And this lettuce I feed her like every night. Every night. I did that with Hazel too. But just kept it for her too. Just girl. What the heck is that noise? It's probably my brother. Yeah. And then she just eats all night. Well, not all night. Sometimes I let her out a ton when she's done eating. But, yeah. Yeah. It looks so nice, huh? I think she's enjoying it. Good. Yeah. Then I'll let her hop around my room for a little bit. And she would have a ton of fun. While she is eating, I can show you one of my poppets. No, ignore that. It's just poop that she did. There it is. Okay, here is one of my new poppets. It's very nice. The pops are kind of hard. But if I would rate this at anything, it would definitely be a 7. See, like, listen to this. It's really hard to push out, like, really hard. But on the loud side, it's, like, good. This one goes to a lot of places with me. And, yeah. So that is wonderful. That new poppet, you guys can just look at it for a little bit while I'm struggling to do something. Trying to place my it. It's like very hard. I have another poppet that came in the same, like, I don't know, it came with this one. Oh yeah. So, you guys should sub. Let's see if I spell this right. I'm just And like and there we go. And this is the amount of subscribers I have. Just I don't have the best handwriting. $101 subs. There we go. Looks like I wrote LOL, and if you don't know what that stands for, it stands for laugh out loud. How are you doing on your food, little girl? Oh, she's like done. Yeah, she's done. So you guys can look at that while I'm getting her out. And then normally I would just, I don't know, see her and just say hi to her for a little bit. So yeah, that's that. Okay, well, thank you all for watching this video. I'm currently putting her back. There we go. Bye. Well, thank you all so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. And like, please. Okay, now bye. Bye. Seriously. Okay, bye. Bye. Oh, okay, bye.